Today we got a video from YYZ Bodycam, and the title of the video is Police Confront Abusive Girlfriend at Boyfriend's Home Ends Badly.
On September 9th, 2025, officers responded to a residence regarding a domestic disturbance.
Right here, please.
Where's she at?
In her room, still with that
Step out
knife.
here, okay? Step out here, man. You got any dogs or anything?
Taylor, she's nice.
What's your name?
Do you want me to take him to the
You got any
car?
weapons or anything on you? It's okay, bro.
Hi, pup.
Come here, sweetie.
No, I can't take one of them. Just step out there.
No.
For a second. Okay, what's going on?
Good night.
I got you. Is anything else, anybody else in the house, man?
He's a crybaby ass that likes to cheat on me.
Stop.
Oh my God.
What's going on? Push your dog up so I don't get bit. Hey, nothing. Listen, stop. What's going on today?
I know, sorry about that.
You can step in there and talk to him. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm not going to ask you again. Chill out. What's going on?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing in my front door.
Okay, but what's going on? Hey, stop.
Stop grabbing me.
On the rocks? Ooh. Ooh, I know that hurt. She's acting right.
I don't think so.
See, it's always the little tiny ones, It's always the little tiny ones. 5'4", 105 pounds, soaking wet when they get tough with the police, man. Come on, man. Get you together.
Absolutely not. Got her. Yep.
All right, man.
What up?
Oh, do you want EMS?
No, it's
anything
just a little
medical?
nick. She was just
Okay.
swinging and it barely nicked me.
You kind of.
Yeah,
So,
I was trying to go for the arm. I'd rather charge a gun than a knife.
yeah.
And yeah, she just got me a little bit.
Okay. Here, let me. Did she get you anywhere else, or just?
Not that I know of.
Okay. You care? Here, turn around. I'm gonna just double check, make sure.
You
Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick.
Sorry, I'm shaking.
You're fine, man. Alrighty. So from the very beginning,
Woke up.
whenever.
Took
Okay.
a piss.
Okay.
Apparently she went through my phone. I have a contact, Jay. I have a friend named Jay. She deleted every single female on my phone.
Okay.
Because, I had to do the same thing just because, giving her the same treatment she was giving me.
Yeah.
Woke up, went to go piss. She freaked out saying, "Who the is Jay? This is Jasmine. This is Jasmine." I'm like, "I don't know. You deleted her off my phone. I do have a buddy named Jay."
Okay.
She called.
Yeah.
My buddy didn't answer. His girl answered. And so she freaked out. And she said, I told you. Grab the knife from in there. And then I tried calling you guys once. And it's like, no, I'm just going to call her mom. Her mom was like, can you text me? I'm like,
Yeah.
She's got a knife. I'm just going to call the cops.
Yeah. Yeah.
Her mom usually can calm her down. But she was a knife. And
Yeah. Yeah. No, you did the right thing.
Boy, the insecurities in this relationship. I don't think relationships start out like that. There have been things that have happened for her to have those insecurities. And then on both sides, well, he said on his side, he just doing it because she did it to him. So, it's just, yeah, they probably do have cheating in their history. That's probably why she acted like that. Because right off the gate, girls is not coming out and being like, oh my God, you can't have no girl. Like, no, like, something had to have happened for her to now have those thoughts or those, you know what I mean? Like, something had to have happened, Personally, do I think you could be friends with the opposite sex? I mean, not really. The only exceptions I could see, is like if you grew up, if y'all grew up together, you know what I mean? Y'all been friends since school or whatever, because at those ages when you're young, or like y'all grew up in the same neighborhood, y'all young, at those ages you guys kind of grew up together and could legit just be friends, you know what I mean? Like, because at those young ages you're not hanging out with someone because you're attracted to them or whatever. Like, this could just be, your friend that, maybe she's a tomboy a little bit or whatever, and y'all play basketball together or whatever. That's just your neighbor. Like, it could be completely different, But as you get older, most guys that are friends with girls, if the girl gave them the opportunity, the guy would smash. And that's where the problem comes in at. Let's say it's a friend that you had in college or whatever the case may be, and whatever. Now you guys are a little bit older, so there is some sort of could attraction develop and things like that, of course. And guys give access to marriage, girls give access to sex. Okay, that's the reality of the situation, right? And or guys give access to relationship or whatever, marriage related, whatever you want to call it, right? And if you guys are hanging out, you're a guy, you're a girl, whatever, y'all hanging out, y'all just friends, y'all have a couple of drinks or whatever the case may be, and she gets a little flirty or whatever, and she lets you hit, the guy isn't gonna be like, no, we're just friends, I don't want to hit, no, we're just besties. No, that's not happening, right? He gonna take his opportunity, you know what I'm saying? She gonna let me, whatever, she feeling it, I'm feeling it, let's go. And that's where the problem comes in at, with friends of different sex. Yeah, listen, I'm a guy, I know. You know what I'm saying? Just trust me. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is.
100%, you did the right thing. So,
You want us to pursue charges on her for this?
No, she just needs to get back on her mess.
No, man, this is what I'm talking about in the last video. Do you want to forget what I just said? All that BS. This is what we just did a video on this. I forget when, but it was sometime today. It was the girl that bit his nuts. The girl, that video. If you ain't see that video, go check that video out. But a girl bit his nuts or whatever, and he wanted to press charges, and then the next day he wanted the charges dropped. And I said in that video, take your ass whooping like a man. That's it. If you don't want nothing done, take your ass whooping. Same situation with this. You call the cops because she coming at you with a knife and she gonna slice you up like some roastery chicken. All right? But the cop asked, do you want to press charges? No, I just wanted to get on some meds. Well, get your ass sliced up then, man. Stop wasting people time.
Pursue charges for her stabbing you.
I mean, it's a little, Nick, I'm not...
It's up to you, man. Hey, it's anyone wants to contact. It does not matter.
yeah.
I mean, she's going to jail regardless. She fought one of our officers. She's going to jail.
Jesus.
Yeah, so it's if you want to pursue charges against her. Completely up to you.
No, let her deal with that. I just need as a witness. I mean, I can't. I'm not going to hit her. I'm not going to hit a girl.
Well, that's what I know.
Crazy. I mean,
I'll be honest, I haven't been on too long, but I do know that that's it for now.
yeah. No,
Is this the first time she's ever done anything like this?
I have pictures on my phone of her on my face. That was the first time I should have called you guys. I was like, I'm just going to call her mom.
So there's...
it was a bigger one than that, but yeah, I didn't know that one was in there too. I bet it's between the bed and the wall.
So there's a history of this?
Yeah,
I've heard
she is
doing this.
Not with just me, but with the other dudes. And yeah, I guess I just got tired of it.
And then are you guys dating or?
Dating.
Okay. How long have you guys been dating?
Since like Super Bowl of last year. So,
Okay.
of this year, actually.
Okay.
So not that long, and it's been literally it's been on and off because of her wanting to fight and just cause drama.
Yeah. So does she live here too?
Yeah, that's her room.
Okay.
She has a roommate, Jared, who also helps pay out the rent. He's in St. Louis. He's like an electrician right now. He comes here
I get that.
Few days.
Did dispatch get your information and everything?
I don't think so. I was just too busy on the phone with you guys.
No, I get it. 100%, man.
That's Kayla Hopper, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
been
How long have you been dating?
since like it's been literally on and off. This is probably the 8th
Since Super Bowl.
of like February,
Gotcha.
whenever the Super Bowl was.
All right. So what's your name, date of birth?
It's just a little neck.
Oh. Wow.
It's
Marion 18, I got
sharp
one by
knife,
name and date of
but,
birth.
I mean, she just. I don't know if you can grab it.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No, I'm fine.
So like a actual chef's knife is what it looks like?
Yeah, it's like a miniature chef knife.
And then
It's
colors, you remember?
black and silver, just like that one, but it's the blade is a little bit thicker.
10-9.
Your tetanus up to date?
I wasn't too sure. Last time I got my tetanus shot was in the Army, and that was in 2019, I think.
So where exactly did it happen? Did it happen in
It
the living
happened
room?
literally right here.
Okay, kind of in the hallway?
Yeah, right here is whenever she actually started swinging, and then you're right there, and that's whenever I tried to grab her hand and she got my pinky.
So she was back where you are and you were
She was
where
right
I am?
here. She was right where you're
Okay.
at, and I was trying to walk out, calling the phone. Well, she had my phone, was threw it at the wall, and I grabbed it, and then she grabbed the knife, and yeah.
Okay, so you were
Walking
back there,
out, yeah.
walking out,
Yeah.
and she was
Right there.
here next to the couch
Yeah.
and was...
She swung about 4 times right there.
Okay.
And the one time got me on the pinky, and
Yeah.
the other times I just called you guys.
Yeah, that's a good thing to do. Rough time frame, you know, when the yelling started, when...
Oh, literally within 5 minutes of me calling you guys. I called you guys the first time. That was immediately when it started happening because I'm not done with the knife. Then I called her mom. Her mom didn't answer twice. Then I called you guys again.
All right.
Yeah, that
I think we got all we need.
What kind of car does your mom drive?
Alexis.
Lexus. Okay, there's a black Chrysler out here. What's that?
And then what does... I'm sorry, do you want to press charges on that?
Yeah, she can deal with a song with cop. I'll be fine with a little pinky.
All right.
All right, man.
That works.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
Take care.
The suspect was charged with battery. Thanks for watching today.
Stop wasting the officer's time. Stop wasting the officer's time. Take your ass whooping like a man.